Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you enable your shopping activities sync into your shop application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your shop application at very first, and after opening the shop application you just simply have to tap to your profile picture into the top right corner. Tap into that option, and after that you will get the option of settings directly. Tap to that setting icon, and then you will get the option of data and privacy into settings. Simply select data and privacy, and into here you just simply have to enable this toggle for sync shopping activity. And after enabling this toggle, your shopping activity will successfully be synced all the time. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.